How to fix Garmin Connect app not syncing or working properly. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your Play Store, search for Garmin app and make sure you have the latest version of the app. If not, simply update it and head over to the next step. That is, go to settings, go to apps, find Garmin Connect app, go to its storage section, then tap on clear cache and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.